Understanding the electrical socket, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an everyday item you find in homes and buildings: the electrical socket. It's a simple yet essential part of modern life, and understanding what it is and how it's used is crucial for anyone learning English. Let's plug into this topic and discover more. An electrical socket, also known as an outlet, is a device that allows us to connect electrical equipment to the power supply in a building. It's a small fixture, usually found on walls, where you can plug in devices like your phone charger, lamp, or computer. Sockets vary in shape and size depending on the country, but they all serve the same purpose: providing a safe and easy way to access electricity. There are various types of electrical sockets around the world. The most common ones include Type A and B, used in the USA and Japan, Type C, common in Europe, and Type G, used in the United Kingdom. It's important to know that the plug shape and voltage requirements can differ, which is why sometimes you need an adapter or a converter when traveling to different countries. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical sockets. Always ensure your hands are dry before using them, and never try to insert foreign objects into the sockets. It's also essential to understand the voltage of your appliances and whether they match the socket's output to prevent damage to your devices or hazards like electrical fires. Electrical sockets play a crucial role in our daily lives. They power our appliances, charge our devices, and are integral to various technological and industrial applications. Knowing how to correctly and safely use them is not just about language. It's about integrating into modern, everyday life. I hope this video has shed some light on the humble yet vital electrical socket. Remember, it's more than just a part of a building. It's a gateway to the power we use every day. Stay safe, and I look forward to exploring more everyday English topics with you. Happy learning!